students of class first year, RS Inter College Kanpur. First information I want to give you that you have to write down the work whatever is taught daily. If you have not bought the books and the registers, you should buy them from the office of the college. 10% discount will be given to you, and it is very necessary that you should prepare the course daily. Whatever is being taught, you have to learn it, you have to write it, you have to prepare everything that is being taught these days, because from the 1st of the July the classes of the first year have been started and students are attending the classes. But if some of them are not attending, it is their responsibility that they should attend the class daily, so that they may not be in back and may not disturb in their study. Therefore, it is your duty to attend the class daily. Now, today I am going to teach you English language. The topic is synonyms. At first, I made you write verb forms, letter, antonyms, and after antonyms in serially. It is being taught today synonyms. Synonyms means the same meaning in English. As you know that see means देखना in Hindi, but English behold. So you have to write down behold. See means behold. In the same way, these are ABIDE abide, LIVE live. Abide means live. ACCEPT accept, RECEIVE receive. ALTER alter, CHANGE chant, VANISH vanish. Vanish means disappear. Blunder, BLUNDER blunder, MISTAKE mistake. BUSY busy, ENGAGED engaged. Sorry, I have to inform it. ENGAGED engaged means busy. Busy means busy. Engagement means busy. CRIME crime. Crime means sin. Sin. SIN sin. Crime means the work that is illegal, that is harmful to others done by us. That is called crime. And crime means sin. Marvel, MARVEL. Marvel means splendid. SPLENDID. Splendid or majestic or grand. Many meanings are there, but you have to choose any of them, and you may write down also extra meanings if you desire. KIND kind. Kind means gentle. GENTLE gentle. And generous is also. GENEROUS. Generous or kind means gentle. IDEAL ideal. Ideal means perfect. Perfect means good. JOY joy. Delight. DELIGHT. Joy means delight. Prominent. PROMINENT. Prominent means main. MAIN. Or the most important. Reply. REPLY. Reply means answer. ANSWER. So these are the synonyms. Words are the same meanings in English, and you have to learn them, because it will be helpful to you in writing the question answers yourself. You may write down. If the meanings have been learned, you will have not to on the second hand knowledge. You should develop yourself. develop your self knowledge or the many words if you have learned in the same meaning, it will be very easy to understand you, because intermediate is very tough. And after that you have to attend the competitions also. In competitions, same meanings, antonyms are very necessary to be learned. So it is your duty that you should learn now, and you should write down after when you have finished writing antonyms. From there you have to start synonyms. So synonyms should be written after antonyms. It is serially. So you have to prepare them, you have to write in fair copy, and you have to learn every day work that is being taught today. It is your duty. I hope that you will follow my